How to fix Bluetooth not working on Samsung A08. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on connection. Click on Bluetooth. So turn off Bluetooth mode and turn on Bluetooth mode. Turn on or turn off Bluetooth mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and volume down button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app. Scroll down and click on apps. Scroll down and search Bluetooth from here. For example, this is Bluetooth. So click on storage and clear cache. Bluetooth, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app. After click on settings app, scroll down and click on general management and click on reset network setting. Reset setting, enter phone pin. Click on continue. Click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.